This video is an example of a video created using a collection of funny cats video clips from the YouTube Creative Commons. As you can see, the video has already generated over 46 million views, and above all, the video is monetized. So how do you go about creating a Creative Commons video like this that is monetized on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to walk you through some Creative Commons pitfalls that might cause your video getting demonetized on YouTube. Hi there, I'm Winston from TubeMechanicsNotes.com, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 Creative Commons video pitfalls that you should avoid. We are going to start by looking at the first Creative Commons video pitfall that you should avoid, which is the mistake of re-uploading any Creative Commons video on YouTube. Then we'll look at how to avoid copyright by using many different channel videos to create your video. And finally, how to avoid the mistake of giving up too early. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in starting, growing and monetizing your videos on YouTube, you might want to join us in the YouTube Talk Facebook group where we discuss topics like these. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, if you have been on YouTube as a creator now for a while, you should know that there is a Creative Commons option on YouTube. Creative Commons videos are marked videos on YouTube that are allowed to be used by anyone however they want. You can easily find this type of videos by making a search on YouTube and then clicking on the filter feature here and selecting the Creative Commons option. When you select the Creative Commons option, YouTube will now display all the videos marked with a Creative Commons license that are targeting your search term. The big problem now is not all videos marked with the YouTube Creative Commons license is actually a Creative Commons video, and that's simply because some creators have been misusing the Creative Commons feature on YouTube by downloading and re-uploading other people's videos that were originally marked as standard videos. Now, if you come unknowingly and download the same video thinking it's a video marked with the YouTube Creative Commons license, guess what? YouTube will give your video a copyright claim. So how can you avoid all that? Well, you want to start by making sure that you edit every video you download as a Creative Commons video, just to make sure that the video is unique. But how do you go about editing videos you download as Creative Commons videos to make them unique? That brings us now to the second Creative Commons video monetization pitfall, which is of course to avoid downloading and editing just one specific video. You see, by just trying to edit one specific Creative Commons video, maybe because it matches the topic that you want to make your video in, is a big pitfall when it comes to monetizing your Creative Commons videos. To avoid that, you want to download a couple of Creative Commons videos from different YouTube channels that are related to the topic of the video you're working on. Then you want to cut out portions of the different videos and put them all together. So the length of your video will depend on the number of videos you can download and use from the YouTube Creative Commons. It's also advisable to use very short video clips, say under 30 seconds long video clips from each of the downloaded Creative Commons videos. That way you'll be working under the Creative Commons Fair Use policy on YouTube, which states that you can use portions of other people's videos without asking for their permission. So by using just under 30 seconds video clips from each of the videos, even if you make a mistake by downloading a standard video thinking it's a Creative Commons video, your video will still be safe for monetization. Now, the only big problem with editing Creative Commons videos is that it takes a lot of time, and for those who have the money to outsource the work, they will also tell you that it's very costly, which is why there are some online softwares that will help make editing this type of videos very easy. Take the Swamp tool for example. This tool will help you easily search for YouTube Creative Commons videos within the tool, and without even downloading the videos, you'll be able to select as many videos as you like. Cutting and putting the video clips together is really where the Swamp tool stands out. Now, before we get into the third Creative Commons monetization pitfall, Let's just check out how the Swarm tool can easily help you edit your Creative Commons videos.
Hi, welcome to the demo video of Swarm. This is the software that allows you to create highly trending and viral YouTube videos without having to show your face on camera or creating any video, or rather without having any knowledge of video creation. So let me show you how this software works. Right now I'm in the dashboard of the Swarm, and here we have one option called Create Campaign. So click on Create Campaign, your campaign name. So let's put cute dog videos. Now you can search for the keywords. So search for cute dog videos, and then software pull entire data and analysis of particular keywords in this niche. So you can see it shows you keyword, traffic source, difficulty rank, how many search results for the particular keyword, and entire analysis. Then you can choose on the basis of difficulty rank which keyword you would like to target. So let's go ahead with this one. So here green means it's very easy for you to rank the video. So let's go ahead and target this keyword, cute dog videos funny. Click here on search videos, and now it will show you videos available on YouTube that are ranked for the particular keywords. Now let's say if you want to use this video, so click here on select video for compilation. Then here is one that you want to add, and this is the third one. Once that is done, you can click here on create data. Meanwhile, you will also be able to export entire video data analysis, like how many views this video has got, how many likes, what are the dislikes, comments, everything you can export, and you can use this data while uploading your video on YouTube. So we'll see that later, but just go ahead and create video for now. So here are these three videos that we have already selected. Now we can trim the video as per our requirement. So let's go ahead and trim this video. So from here to say here, I want to trim this video, so I will click on trim video. Now software will go and trim the video. Now that is done, let's go ahead and trim the second video. Now let's edit this second video. So let's edit it from here to here and click on trim. So here you have second video, and now let's go ahead and edit the third one as well. So I will go edit it from here to here. Alright, so we have edited all three videos. Now let's go ahead and create a video. So software will go and compile all these three trimmed part of different videos and create a complete video. It takes some time. Once that is done, you will get notification in your email, or you can go and check out your video status in dashboard here. So now it's working on it. Once that is done, it will show you. So now you can see the video is ready. Now we have to add intro and outro. So let's create intro and outro here. So if you want to add intro and outro, you can do it from here, or else you can skip this step. So let's add intro. Awesome cute dog video. Let's change the background color. Let's change the font size. Font color. You can also change the font family and everything basically that you want. You can do here with the background color, font size. Now let's create outro similarly. Let's say subscribe to my channel. Again, let's change. You can change the background color if you want from here. Change the font color, and you are done. So you are done with the second step. You can click on generate video, Once that is done, again system will let you know in the dashboard. So you can see here the video is ready. You now can add subtitle and audio. So for audio, you can choose our preloaded open source audio files. You can select it from here, okay, or maybe this one. So let's add this one. Now that is done. If you want to record your voiceover, you can do it from here as well, and you can add subtitles. So say here you want to add subtitle till 10 seconds. Here again, if you want to add it up to 30 seconds, you can do that. And similarly, you can keep on adding it till your video ends. Now, once that is done, you just have to click on generate video and your video is done. So in 3 simple steps, you have created a video using others' existing videos. You can now import your tags, you can import other data like description and create your YouTube video, and you are ready to upload your video once the compilation of this entire video is done. So now system is working in the background and it's compiling the videos and adding subtitles and adding background music and everything. Once that is done, you will get notification in your dashboard or in your email and you are ready to upload your video on YouTube. So I just want to show you the existing video demonstration. This is the video. This is how video looks like. I have created one for Q-doc keyword. Now when your video is ready, you can go here and upload on YouTube or Vimeo, and when you are uploading it on YouTube, system will prompt you with the most relevant keywords and description. You can upload your thumbnail from here as well. So it's a complete system, right from doing research for highly trending videos on YouTube. It creates videos and it also adds relevant tags and relevant description, and you can upload the video right from the system on YouTube. So it's a complete system in itself. That is how Swarm works. Thank you.
Now, the last Creative Commons video monetization pitfall that you should avoid is not giving up too soon. Giving up too soon is one of the biggest pitfalls for many YouTube creators just starting out, and most often than not, it's as a result of lack of views and engagements to their videos. But what most creators just starting out fail to understand is that it takes time, consistency, and dedication to grow and monetize a channel on YouTube. So if you are just starting out on YouTube, you should also start thinking of promoting your videos for more views, because the more views you individually generate to your videos will also help boost the video rankings. The only problem is that promoting videos is another area that most creators ignore, which is why I've put together these 20+ video tutorials on different ways to generate extra views to your channel videos. You'll find the link to this page in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.